Borrowing money from the Albert app is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To borrow money from the Albert app, you need to follow these steps. First of all, open the Albert app and head to the home screen. Then, tap on Instant and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once you've been approved to advance cash, you can select an amount and delivery method. You can also withdraw funds from your Albert cash account. And if your paychecks are automatically deposited into an Albert account, Albert can provide you with a cash advance up to $250. Also, you can access everything Albert has to offer right from your phone or by using the Albert Cash Debit Card. The loan provider, in partnership with Albert, will review your application and make a decision. If approved, the loan amount will be disbursed to your bank account. Ensure that you are aware of the repayment schedule and make timely payments according to the loan agreement. It's crucial to be cautious and read the loan agreement thoroughly to understand all terms and conditions before proceeding. Loan availability, terms and conditions can vary, and eligibility may be based on your financial profile and creditworthiness.